are back. Yes, we have the coolest loot ever. AR Workshop, which is a franchise, which, oh my gosh, now that we know about, we're obsessed with.
We're obsessed.
Christine Clegg, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
I love everything that you're doing. And again, Jeremy just finally said, let's roll, because you guys are telling all the good stories.
Yep.
Talk to us a bit about what this whole deal is. It's awesome.
Well, we are a boutique DIY studio where you can come for a class and you can make, this is just a few samples of everything that we offer. We have all these cute wood plank signs, we have Lazy Susans, we do pillows, and you sign up for a class. It's about 2.5 to 3 hours long.
Okay.
And
I know,
okay.
You sign up and you come and you pick the colors, you pick the stains, you pick your design. It's customized. A lot of designs have a last name or a date.
Like down here?
Yep, down here. Like this says The Simpsons, but you would say your last name.
Are people making these for themselves or are they gifting?
Both, really,
Okay.
yes. I've had a lot of people come in and make great wedding gifts.
Oh.
And they're personalized.
What a great idea.
So that makes it really special for the people that are getting married.
How did you get into this? Because what a cool thing to
I
do. How
know.
much
Yes.
fun.
I saw it first on social media, and then I researched it, and I was like, Hilton Head needs a place like this. All the cities have it. Everybody's doing it. They're doing DIY. They're into the HGTV.
Yes.
I mean, and the farmhouse look is just what everybody wants.
And it's very satisfying.
And it's
to
very
complete
satisfying because
a
you don't,
project.
you don't have to be an artist. It's
You
all
really don't?
stencils.
Oh.
No, it's all stencil work.
Even the pillow.
Yes.
Oh,
like,
this is stencil work.
yes, that's all stencil.
Who
And like,
knew?
my 13-year-old daughter made this one, so
You're
you
kidding
don't,
me.
It's
you don't
really
even,
cool.
yeah, you don't have to be an artist in any way, and you leave with this project, and Hilton Head needs a place like this, needs something to do. We have
Absolutely.
the outside activities and everything.
So let's say Erin and I come in with some
12
of her
kids.
Yeah, with some of her kids and some of
Each.
my kids. They can walk and pick a different thing to do.
Yes, everyone picks a
Oh.
different design. You look online on the website and you pick your design.
It's
and
AR
then,
Workshop.
Yes,
Okay.
and then when you come in, it's customized. So you want to pick your design and what you want it to say. Like you could change that saying up on
You
that pillow
could
if you wanted
have
to.
all your grandchildren make something different for
Don't
you
you
for
think
Christmas.
That would be
Yeah,
that
it's
would
a
be
great
really
Christmas
cool.
idea. Yeah, and so then when you come in, we're all ready for you. You get the raw wood, you sand it, you put it together.
From the beginning.
From the beginning, yep, step by step. There's an
Wow.
instructor for each table.
I was just going to say, do you have instructors that help?
Yep.
And then
You have an instructor for each table, and they'll help you step by step, and you pick the stains, the paints, and it's totally
This could be
yours when you go
addictive.
home.
Like I feel like people would keep coming back.
I've had
And it's
repeat
like a regular
customers.
activity.
Yes, I've already had repeat
exactly.
customers.
Because
Yeah.
once you get kind of your groove on, I would think you would want to come back. What are some examples of other things that you might be able to make?
We have, besides the planks and the Lazy Susans pillows, we have centerpiece boxes, which are super cute for the holidays. You can put, flower arrangements in them or
yes,
candles
candy.
in them.
Oh,
and
candles.
Candy.
or Christmas cards.
At her house, it's candy.
You can put Christmas cards in them. And then we also have frame signs. We have trays. A lot of people
trays
have an
would be
ottoman
great.
instead of a coffee
Yeah.
table.
Yes.
So you need a tray to put on the ottoman for serving. We have those.
What's your background? Are you an artist, or how did you even get into this? You're going to tell me.
Yes. Well, actually, when I was younger, art was always my favorite thing,
There
and
you
always my
go.
passion. And growing up, I was just went to school for business and everything. So,
I knew the business was in there.
Business
Yeah.
is so good.
So then, after just working on the island for so long in business, and I was like, I need a little more passion in life, and so this came about, and it's just
amazing.
great. Everybody's so happy
And you're
when they
in
leave.
a great
Oh,
location.
your location
Like
is
you
amazing.
nailed your location.
Yes,
I'll never
we're-
forget, about 7 years ago, we decided to give all handmade gifts, and I think I've told you this. We made 22 pair of stilts out of wood.
I didn't know that was a do-it-yourself project.
It was fantastic. So again, do we need to call for reservations? How does that work in about 5 seconds?
Yes, you can call.
Yes.
You can call, or you can go online to our website, AR Workshop, Hilton Head, and there's a calendar online, so you can just look at the calendar and register, and you'll see the designs. And we're
What
at the
part
Village
of
of
Wexford
Wexford.
Village are you in? Are you?
By
We
your
are in the
designer.
south side.
Okay, on the south side.
Exactly.
Yep.
So you can make it a destination.
Yes, and you
Exactly.
can bring wine or beer.
Oh, did you hear that?
Oh.
Nice try to get us not to say
Take
that,
away.
Jeremy. Take away. Stay with us. We'll be back on Girl Talk.